Sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Honda CR-V. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Honda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, front dual-zone air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.